Hello guys, welcome back to math. Today we're going to talk about using the coordinate plane, or using Pythagorean theorem to find distance on a coordinate plane. Okay, so this is Pythagorean theorem. On the coordinate plane, so I'm just going to abbreviate that with CP. And it's on page 40. Using Pythagorean theorem to find the distance on a coordinate plane. Okay, so let's say that we know that a right triangle looks like this, right? And we know that this is side A, side B, and side C. And we know that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, because that's the Pythagorean theorem. So if I have a coordinate plane, my y-axis, my x-axis, okay, and I'm going to draw 5 spots. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are just evenly spaced. Okay, so this is 5, 5, negative 5, and negative 5. And I have point A and point B. Okay, and I want to know the distance from point A to point B. Okay, I can use for the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance from point A to point B. Okay, I'm going to do that by creating a right triangle. Okay. So I'm going to go across with B to where it touches, down to A, and I want to find the distance. Do you see how I created a right triangle? So now I'm going to do the side lengths. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I will use Pythagorean theorem. Remember that this is side A, B, C, right? So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared is 8 squared plus 4 squared. It's going to be equal to C squared. I'm not going to upgrade, so I'm going to do 8 squared plus 4 squared is 80. And then you take the square root to figure out C. So second x squared of 80 is 8.9. So the distance from point A is from A to B is 8.9. Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to do one more before you send you off to do it on your own. Four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it when it's not right on the line. I'm going to say we have 1 point here and then a point here. Okay, so I'm going to draw my line down, okay, and then across, so I can find where my right angle is going to be. Okay, down and across to find my right angle, and then I know that these ones got to go here. Do you see how I made a right triangle? Okay, now I know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so I'm going to find the distance. That's counting the little spaces. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it doesn't matter which one's A and B. And then I have 1, 2, 3. Roughly. Okay. It's equal to c squared. In my calculator, I have 6 squared plus 3 squared is 45. It's equal to c squared. Take the square root of 45. So c, the distance from one point to the next, is 6.7. All right. That's how you use the Pythagorean theorem to find distance on a coordinate plane.